Indeed. Make some noise for the winning spirit that is within each one of us. We are here in a spirit of victory, knowing that together we can defeat anything. That is what we are doing now. We are healing Jamaica together. We're not looking at them and saying, oh, it happened to them over there, so we're okay. We say, no, we're there with you. We're in it with you.
On this episode of our show, we're covering the I Love Jamaica Telethon and virtual concert right here at the Indoor Sports Center in Jamaica. It is in aid of the Hurricane Melissa victims, so please donate. Hi, I am Melvin Pennant, and this is PBCJ's Agenda Jamaica.
We were meant to love each other. Separation is the root of all our problems. If I hurt you, then I hurt myself. Hate you, then I hate myself. If I kill you, I kill me. But if I love you like I love me, and if I treat you like I treat me, oh, what a world, what a world, what a world this would be. Oh, what a world when I see.
The I Love Jamaica Telethon and virtual concert was a heartfelt and inspiring event, held to raise funds for the victims of Hurricane Melissa. The afternoon began with a warm welcome from a diverse group of hosts, setting the tone of hope, resilience, and the community spirit.
Families have been displaced, lots of persons have been affected, and we can make a difference once we put hands and hearts together.
We have seen the images, we've heard the stories, we bawl, we cry, yes. But we're coming back stronger.
The stage was filled with stirring performances from talented artists, including Nexus, Kerry Sales, Candy, and the energetic John Mark, whose voices reflected the enduring strength of the Jamaican people.
Nobody no more than we, nobody no more than Jamaica, nana. From you see we you see God power. From you see we you see God power. Me say nobody no more than we, say nobody no more than we, Lord God. From the blessing them a flow power. See the blessing them a flow power.
Throughout the event, viewers were encouraged by recorded messages from prominent officials, such as His Excellency Sir Patrick Allen, whose words highlighted the unity and determination of the nation.
In the wake of Melissa's passage, I extended comfort to those who suffered loss and called on Jamaicans to unite in the work of rebuilding. Though this office is not on the front line of relief operations, please know that I support our brothers and sisters in the West, and we will journey together on the road to recovery. Amid the destruction, the extraordinary strength of our Jamaican spirit has never weakened. Our resilience has been reflected in the bravery of our first responders, the Jamaica Defense Force, the Jamaica Fire Brigade, and the Jamaica Constabulary Force, who, alongside the Office of Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management, ODPEM, have led search and rescue operations, aerial assessments, and road clearance. The Ministry of Labour and Social Security has managed emergency shelters and distributed initial support, while the Ministry of Health and Wellness has expanded care through mobile clinics, field hospitals, and the mobile pharmacy care clinic in Westmoreland. We are grateful for the support of the international community. Their immediate support has shown us that we are a cherished group and that our influence is felt in every part of the world. Jamaicans at home and in the diaspora have rallied to the aid of their brothers and sisters locally, giving financial and human resources in the aftermath of the storm. Today, I honor our music fraternity, whose generosity and commitment have strengthened this cause. Through their voices, instruments, and creativity, they help heal the nation and lift our spirits. This telethon is also a call to action to support the National Hurricane Relief Program, to volunteer, and to give what you can, because our contribution brings us closer to rebuilding. Though our island is small, the strength of our people is limitless. Together we will rise. Thank you, and may God bless you and Jamaica, land we love.
Prime Minister Dr. the Most Honorable Andrew Holness delivered his message live via video from Johannesburg, where he was attending a climate change summit, expressing gratitude to all who were working tirelessly to support recovery efforts.
Thank you so much for joining us, PM. I know you could not miss this one. Wherever you were, you had to join us. PM, we have to speak about the resilience of our people.
Let me commend the entertainment fraternity to have participated and put this on. I think it's a wonderful event, and I am hopeful that Jamaicans and our friends all over the world will find it possible to contribute. Our entertainers, our musicians, our artists have really stepped up to the plate in this disaster and have used their talent, their connections, their influence to help our fellow Jamaicans who are in need at this time. And so I want to big up the entertainment fraternity. And of course, the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, who have also collaborated to put on this telethon. Look, the Jamaican people are strong, we are resilient, we will overcome, and we will rebuild forward and rebuild better. But I'm here in Johannesburg at the G20 summit. It's a very important meeting of the largest and most powerful economies in the world. And this is an agenda-setting meeting for the global architecture, how the world works, for things geopolitical and geoeconomic, looking at issues to do with economic growth, climate, debt, mineral use, artificial intelligence. And so it's important that Jamaica has a voice at this table at this time, because the issues of climate change and resilience are important to us, and how we are going to be able to finance our reconstruction is important to us. So I use the summit as an opportunity not only for advocacy, but to mobilize international support for our reconstruction effort, which will begin shortly. As you would have heard, I have announced the formation of the National Reconstruction and Resilience Authority that will lead the reconstruction process. So the administration of the reconstruction is already established. Now we have to make sure that we know where the funding will come from. And so today I had very, very useful meetings with the IMF, the World Bank, and several world leaders who have all pledged their support. I had an opportunity to meet with President Lula, President Macron of France, the Vice President of Nigeria, Prime Minister of Canada, and many other world leaders and leaders of international institutions that have all pledged to support Jamaica. So I leave this meeting with great confidence that we will be able to stage the most phenomenal reconstruction of our economy.
The leader of the opposition, Mr. Mark Golding, contributed his support, emphasizing the importance of community resilience.
Hundreds of thousands of people have had their lives turned upside down. Perhaps close to 1/3 of our population have had the very basics of modern life: electricity, potable water, and internet connectivity taken from them. Jamaica's economy has taken a massive blow, and our nation faces a long and difficult road to rebuild and recover. So today, I speak to you with a heavy heart, but it is also a time of great hope, because amidst all this destruction, we're also seeing something else. Melissa was like Goliath, but we, the Jamaican people, are like David. I salute the ordinary Jamaicans who became transformed into legendary heroes, braving the wind and flood waters and risking their lives to save others during the hurricane. Yes, we Jamaicans are a great people. We have been bruised and battered by this terrible hurricane, but we will never be broken. Ours is a spirit that refuses to yield. This is a time when our greatest strength is each other. Our people are joining hands and hearts to overcome the daily struggle. Community members are coming together, clearing mud and debris from early in the morning until late at night. Neighbors are helping neighbors, caring and sharing what little they have. Volunteers from near and far, across Jamaica and overseas, are stepping up in support and solidarity with those who are suffering. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to all those who have lent their support to Jamaica. You are making a huge difference. I also extend sincere gratitude to our neighbors in the Caribbean and our friends in the international community for helping us in our time of dire need. It is clear that recovery on this scale cannot rest on the government alone. It requires all of us to play our part in bringing Jamaica back. I therefore encourage you to join the I Love Jamaica Telethon and virtual concert and support Jamaica's official Hurricane Melissa Relief Fund. This telethon gives every one of us, wherever we are in the world, the chance to do something to help those who are reeling from the effects of Hurricane Melissa. It is a chance to turn your compassion into action, to help families rebuild roofs, restart livelihoods, and regain some stability in their lives. As we say in Jamaica, every mickle make a muckle, because one cocoa, full basket. Let us use this opportunity to show what unity means in practice. Let us show the world that when Jamaica faces hardship, we respond with love and generosity to get our nation back on her feet. Support the telethon and play your part. To all the families who have been impacted by this disaster, you are not alone. We stand with you. We will support you as you get back on your feet. And together, we will rebuild, even stronger and better than before. May God bless Jamaica, land we love.
Police Commissioner Kevin Blake shared a heartfelt message underscoring the importance of safety and unity during this critical time.
Across the island, members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force have been working tirelessly, rescuing the stranded, clearing blocked roads, supporting shelters and medical teams, repairing our infrastructure, and helping to restore a sense of order and safety. But even in the midst of this, what stands out most is the strength and courage of our people. Today, we have an opportunity to turn that strength into action. I'm encouraging every Jamaican, both here at home and across the diaspora, to support the Hurricane Melissa Relief Fund. Your contribution, no matter the size, will help families rebuild, help communities recover, and help our country rise stronger than before. In moments like these, unity is not a slogan. It is our strategy for recovery. We stand together. We demonstrate that Jamaica is at its best when we act with compassion, generosity, and purpose. On behalf of the entire JCF, thank you for your support as we continue to rebuild our beautiful nation at this critical time. May God bless you, and may God bless our island home.
Young and upcoming Jamaican talents, along with renowned artists, took to the stage, inspiring hope and healing with their performances.
Please, sir, can I get some food to eat, sir? Hungry and I feel so weak, sir. And I got to hit these streets, them crying. When I come to the end of myself, Sing them all over, all over
your hand, uno pitney, uno brother. Only you know the burdens on your shoulder. I could have category 5, we say Jaja Paul rain. Because me know brighter days appear when it's time clear. Me say I might be the light to your guide me in the dark. Yes, them.
Oh, Telethon, you're truly a blessing. Mama, you're special. Thanks for all you've done for me. Your love is the greatest. I gotta tell you this. I said this one is exclusively.
2 years from now, we're gonna look back on today and say, wow, look how far we've come. There was a time when Jamaica was mashed up and flat. Look how it's pretty now. Ready now, no man. Rainy days don't last. God still love me boss. So make the haters stop. Jamaica, we are gonna rise to the top. We know we have a clean heart. And remember you can't stop a boss. No matter how much we fall. Jamaica, we are gonna rise to the top. Yeah.
Track superstar Yohan Blake, along with other inspiring figures, reaffirmed their commitment to moving Jamaica forward, embodying the resilience that defines the nation.
I first heard about it, I said, wow, this is a great initiative and this is a great way of putting it out there to the world so everybody could call in and donate and doing what they can, because I am doing on my side as well, but me alone, and for the Caribbean, the Latin America, the whole world, you know, coming together to help. Yeah, I love it.
I'm saying to the friends of Jamaica that Jamaica strategically places a premium on education and the upskilling of our human resources. We're a developing country. We are susceptible to the ravages and vicissitudes of weather events, but we want to ensure that post-Hurricane Melissa, we're building back stronger and we're building back with a premium placed on resilience. And that means that even in the construction of our schools, even in the construction and configuration of our school plants and how we go about treating with matters having to do with environmental science, we'll have to do it differently.
What we're doing right now is we've moved into the next phase, which is to be very steady and structured and strategic in doing the assessments. And when I say assessments, it's not just assessments of the four walls and the roof. Yes. It's assessments of the assets in the house, of the people in the house, yes, of how it has impacted you, for us to get a comprehensive idea. Right now we're using a modernized system which even allows us to now take pictures and GPS location. So all of that gives us an opportunity to categorize and use that information and that data as a basis to determine what benefit to give you as a government, and also to use that information for our partners in the Humanitarian Assistance Committee to be able to see what additional benefit you will get. So it's a foundation of what I call now the restoration process.
Today's Sunday, you could be home eating rice and peas, and you're here. Why?
We're public servants, and we're Jamaicans, and we have to have, as I said, humanity in us. We need to help. A lot of people need help, and you know, whether you're in your home or on the road, once you can tune in and give some help, we encourage it. And guess what? We have to. This is something that we have to do.
Absolutely. And people, please call, talk to the minister, after you see them vote, but call, but don't just call and pledge. Don't just pledge and give. Give $1, $1,000, give something, man. Somebody. Hello. It is I Love Jamaica.
Minister, thank you so much for being here with us.
I want to thank you for being here. I want to thank both of you, because the public should know that everyone who has participated in this telethon has given his or her efforts for free.
Yeah.
Nobody is being paid. And it's a fact that the entertainment industry and Jamaicans have come together to show our love.
Yeah.
Say, I love Jamaica, and everybody here should say, I love Jamaica.
Mm-hmm.
And this is what it's all about.
Yeah.
We're going to build back stronger.
The stage was electrified by international stars whose high-energy performances celebrated the resilience of the Jamaican people. Their powerful voices and dynamic stage presence served as a reminder that Jamaica's strength lies in its people, unbreakable, unwavering, and united.
By the blood of Jesus, Jamaica prevails over trials. Jamaica prevails, my God. Jamaica prevails. Jamaica prevails. Oh God, prevail. Jamaica prevail. Hallelujah, we prevail. Jamaica prevail. Yeah. Oh, we prevail. Gone are the dark clouds that's been making me blind. Everybody, it's gonna be a bright, bright, sunshiny day. It's gonna be a bright, bright, sunshiny day. What a day when men finally live what they teach and love. Ain't just a concept, we're preaching blood. No longer prone to the streets and oh, yeah. What a day, yeah. What a day, yeah. Oh, yeah. What a day, yo. Minister Grange, what a day, yo. Babsy, big up yourself, you know, this is a nice initiative, thank you. Say what a day, yeah. Told me that made me harm. Well, they can go back where they came from. No demonic work. No, 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 no. Hey, hey, I tell the other and the science man come. Because he can't touch it. No. Judge away the glorious crown. Separate the darkness from the light. He who created all things, he will end it just all in one night. I said, oh, this will be sick. Oh, this will be. Oh, that children.
Hey! Now in the middle of your stressing, don't forget the blessing. Alright. Keep positive and keep on progressing, cause everything's a lesson. Alright. For winning up to sell out the breaching, cause all of we are legend in our own right. You kill the messenger, you can't kill the message. Can't kill the message. So what? Sing it again.
God not sleep even though we are weep. Every day we get up on a January cheap. People them lose them us only. No food and no water, no dung they eat. But everybody knows how we run the streets. Money have to make only from okay. Black somebody be 30 times. Buy out any bar, carry your money fit. You know it's a Rastana.
All bro, Jamaican, push down that guy now. Go so, boom. So everywhere we go, we take a rockin' from the stereo. A little kids around the island. Just nice to step on the island. Oh Lord, oh.
Let's go to Ocean. Oh, what a vibe. Tons River Park would be somewhere you would like. And then we go to Stenty, Treasure Beach. And then you can buy, you know the boat that we reach. And then we go to Negril, in Mobile, yeah. Go to Portland for a couple days. Kingston City, the life and the party. And it's how I make tell you so we ready. Tell you when you're party, yeah, a good time, yeah. We love your vibes and get tired. And tonight we are gonna touch a party. Now everybody.
Right now, we just want the whole of Jamaica get back light and water done. So we say it like this. Just give me the light. Just give me the light. Just give me the light. That's it, yeah.
Jamaica, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Lord, 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 Lord. We shall rise again.
The I Love Jamaica Telethon and virtual concert was a powerful reminder that together Jamaicans can overcome adversity, rebuild stronger and better than ever.
Rise again. We shall rise again. We shall rise again.
The generosity is welcome. The need is enormous. Thank you, Jamaica and the world, for supporting. This is the I Love Jamaica Telethon and virtual concert. This has been PBCJ's Agenda Jamaica. I've been your host, Melvin Pennant, and we want to thank the Predis team for assisting us on this one. Big up.
See you seeing a light, better open your eyes. When you're blessing at the door, just let it inside. Tell them all the why. Just always on time. Cause when the eye of the storm is before you, and the thunder come roaring with rage. Pray to God be your shelter in the time of the rain, and the sun will come shining again. Jamaica, when the eye of the storm is before you, and the thunder come roaring with rain. Pray that God be your shelter in the time of the rain, and the sun will come shining again.